Batisi TV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Arox 155. Ringkat bakanet foodish, ordar mapi, Ngin ramani, hakir dobyeng jompi.
Baby, we don't need no reason why. Let's go! Come on, come on, come over. Try to make some noise. Baby, we don't need no reason why. Yeah. Come on, come on, come over. Woo!
Long you serve 5 years with in government. We will show the people what we have done. Manifesto means promising.
State President Jaka National People's Party Dr. W.R. Kharlukhi uloong baka National People's Party kan sayo eka jingjab ka babun pajba ha ka election sya ka yeng darbar thawan ke jila ka ban salong haus Snem ar hajar ar phulai da ka jingkershan ratba jong ki pajba nong shongshong ka jila da ka ba pinsyong nong rem kat kum ki kam ki baka Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance balayalam da ka National People's Party kala le ha kini kisan Snem balalit no. Dr. Kharlukhi ulapan pau yakani haka jingpen scam ya ke executive committee ke NPP 17 North Shillong constituency balakli da ubaran sam sutenga kum president haka jingalang malalong hamau khar Shillong haka ni ga jingalang lai shimentalang da MDC ka maulai constituency uba tebor lang pathau kertong jong ke NPP na ki constituency ki badon hajeli ka sor Shillong bat kinong kershan ke NPP hanot Shillong constituency.
Tugas ini lagi keren Pak Chief Minister orang yang manifesto. Long you serve 5 years with in government. We will show the people what we have done. Manifesto means promising the people. What और kedai bila ai manifesto bersuara dengan David Ibreu ke Milane. Kenapa Ibreu hidup tim. Habis tinggal jangan suruh seneng. Dangi keren bat tebor kaki betan kat kendai sepak nyauan. Deus Snem kubangi yok the absolute majority efficiency your life tuan. And that was the last year. Kerpan ini kung kinong trekam jong party tracing him. Penjob di baran som setengah negeri constituency. Kwi nanti tebor job mulai bahek kong jasmin borok candidate. Nang bang break record bagi wanra yang absolute majority haga di state ke jongi nang bunyo ke jing Synshar ke besuk ke bumdon ke kok ke bumdon ke modin nang buat ke jai benri ke jongi ke kiu dia ke pais ke Sarkar jongi border issue beberapa sekata dia kata status quo kabangan senongan kaya kita kata status quo kedai Meghalaya kenang kenderaan sedih Assam kenang kentur ipun itu kedai kini ke Sarkar ke benut ben ai ke rai bangin ai ke institution ke border issue but day mapi white ba ben ai ke rai hok arja apulai ngadi ko om lara ke ke bangile kedai ke basisha ai ke tersan Handrai WhatsApp penbi hak itu belapan hak bor ibokok ba in penduk ya kerja agreement di belajar itu kan lagi senong hak bor bidon hak bor kimnot balai damdon hak bor bonot sudah balai ngoan kita hak bor bagi breu jongi isasian lampi don menurut kami ke polis Assam itu kilai sudah lelai nomor kata baik jadi border jongi breu jongi salah be jadi benda dia nanti baik hanya Shillong try cuba kan su ai usai ni dai ka bagi tip khon mentala kelai ka sa ka bibenta mo Guru-guru, bagi orang ai sorok Shillong, kita try office, tidak di office job ini, mantas ini itu, mentah, kalau try kam.
NPYF, that stands for National People's Youth Front. A name well thought of, a name with a lot of weightage behind it. The reason we are here, like any forceful army of the modern nation, an army that needs front-line warriors. Consider yourselves, gentlemen, we are the front-line warriors of our party. When I say front-line warriors, we will infiltrate, we will penetrate, we will do what is required for the betterment of our society, be it in terms of health, be it in terms of education, be it in terms of sports. There's so many avenues in which we can excel, in which we can lead. Our leaders depend on us to carry their work forward. We need to be alert, we need to be strong, we need to be united.